So I'm gonna be showing how you can go from this to this. So if you have already a really sharp mesh, you can see that it can get really fake, around the edges. If you're gonna do this for a game engine or something, if you take a look at the switch here, you can see how much realism and detail it has added without actually adding geometry. So this trick is very good if you're in for that. So it's really simple actually. All you gotta do is you gotta have your original model. You want to create a material for this, and over here, aside from the color, just go ahead and click it, and then type I. So it's gonna pop up image texture, and so now we're gonna create our new texture. So open up our UV image editor, click new, and I like to put this at 4K resolution, but you can put any resolution you want. Click OK, and I gotta load up this created image entitled 002 over my image texture node, and that's it. So now I have this texture, so I have this black texture, and now I'm gonna duplicate it, Shift D, and to go to the second layer. So now, as you can see in the bottom of the second layer, there's one first, another in the second, and so now the second layer, I'm gonna be adding a bevel modifier in this one. So I click bevel. You can really play around with the settings, but I like to put angle somewhere around 30. In segments, I like to put a lot of segments. Oops, not that much. Okay, so something like that. So, and if you press Z, you can really see the edges. So you can really play around with the settings. So it's pretty cool. So now that I have seen how I want it to be, I can go ahead and press M1, so it goes back to the first layer. So now I have two meshes overlapping each other. So what I want to do here now is I want to have this beveled mesh selected. I can see that it selected the one with bevel by pressing Z and basing the modifier here. And then I want to press Shift and class the other mesh without any modifiers. So now I can go back down here, and yours is gonna look like this. Yeah. So you wanna bake type, wanna go to normal. Space, put this on tangent. It's really the best one for bevels. Click this mark that is selected to active. Yeah. And then ray distance. This is a really good value, 0.005. I find it the best value, so I can go ahead and click bake. So now I got a little progress bar in the top, and it's gonna bake, and I can actually see the results. So if I go ahead and select that image that I assigned previously, of course I'm just gonna be finishing here. It's gonna be finishing in a second. It's a really good technique. I really recommend to everybody. And come on, dude, I don't want to edit. Okay, so as you can see, this is my image. You can see that it looks really awesome. Some parts you can see like these little edges. This looks kind of weird because it's I had a cylinder you can wrap, so but that's okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and delete the beveled one. This is the beveled one, yeah. Okay, so now I can take a look at it. Oops, not working. Why? Okay, this is weird. Okay, so I don't know what happened there, but so now if I go ahead and press render, you can see that I can have this texture selected. Now if I go to node editor, the way I do this, I go ahead and add a normal map. Make sure this is selected at non-color data. So I'm gonna go to normal, and now for better visualization sake, you can plug this one into normal and glossy, and you can really take a look at how it looks now. So this is the after. You can really see some nice edges here, and this is the before. Just look at the difference. It makes a lot of sense to do this. So, and that's it. So thank you. Any questions? Leave in the comments. Bye.